This is an affiliate side hustle to get started now in 2024. Guys, my name is Preston, and I do a series here on YouTube where I show you how to take affiliate offers, place them in an email, and then take that email, place it in an emailing platform that generates leads every single day. And then in turn, we can earn commissions. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around, watch this video. And if you like what you see, you can start with day one of this series and get yourself set up and get yourself going. And if there's any questions that you have, I do have my number at the bottom of the screen here. So feel free to text me with any of those questions, or you can leave them in the comments below this video. With that, I will show you the platform. It is called My Lead Gen Secret, and it only costs $1 a day to receive 100 leads. And those leads stack. We get those daily, $1 every day for 100 leads. And I'm going to show you how exactly we place those emails and where we get those emails. As if you've already been watching, this is day 47. Yes, day 47. This is also the 5th day for our um, affiliate offer that we've been using, which was the Right App reviews, and the postscript was the paid social media. So if you guys are having success with any of this, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know how you guys are doing. If you have any questions about getting started or about exactly how this works, I will try to answer everything the best that I can. So stick with me. Let's go through this and just get this thing sent out. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged in. All right, I will go ahead and select my leads, get those over there. Head over to the Google Docs, and I've already got my email. So if you haven't done this yet already, remember in ClickBank, it's the e-business, e-marketing, and we are doing if you just scroll down just a couple here, Right App reviews. That's the one we're working on. Click on the affiliate page. It'll open up a little something like this, and then you can just click on email swipes. It'll take you right to where we're at. And like I said, email 5, I've already copied and pasted this over to my Google Doc. So that's where I'm at. Make sure you got the hop link included, and that's where we're going to start right now by changing this out where it says your ClickBank ID and placing in our ClickBank ID. So that is mine. And then we will do a little bit of editing to our email here. So that way it fits how we want to send this out. We'll make it look the way we want. And then we want to change this out, which you can simply do. Sometimes I go to the previous email and I'll grab the first name tag, which is right here from the other email, or you can grab it here in MLGS. So I'll just go ahead and get it from here this time, head back over, and then I'm just going to replace where that says name, Control V, and that'll swap it out real quick. And then this is where we want to grab our hop link. Make sure you only copy from the HTTPS over. Once that's highlighted, go ahead and copy that. And now you just want to look for the right place in this email to insert that link. So I haven't thoroughly looked this over because I just quickly tossed this in here and then got started with the video. Just tried to get set up the best that I can so that way I can get through this video a lot easier for you guys. You guys can take the time to pause and get organized yourself. So if you're interested in becoming one of our viewers, submit this form. So we know here. Okay. So this looks like a good place. Submit this form. And I'm just going to make it bold. Just want it to stand out just a little bit. That's why I do it. Right click on it, hit the insert link. All right, I don't know what just happened there. Let's try it again. Highlight, right click, insert link. Okay. I'm not sure why this is not allowing me. So I'm going to try and copy this again. Hold on here. Looks like there's a colon, right? I'm going to drop that down and make it a little easier for me to grab. Okay, let's try this. Copy. Submit this form. Highlight that. Right click. Insert link. Very interesting. I'm not sure why this is not allowing me to do that. Let's see. It shouldn't matter where. Huh. There we go. That's weird. I've never had that happen before. All right, and then I'll just paste that in there and then hit apply. Okay, so there we go. Now we've created a hyperlink. And I'm just going to look real quick just to see if there's another place I might want to stick this. Sometimes, having more than one's not a bad idea. I mean, you can just have one. Usually the length here, the email, maybe try and toss in a second one somewhere else. Individuals, I guess. Links. Let's see. Included. All right. I think I'm probably just going to leave it as is. All right. The next thing we want to do is create a postscript, and this is going to have a completely different offer in it. Just as another way of, getting our offers out there. If you can put 2 offers in one email and be creative about it, this is one of those ways that we do it. And I like it, and it works. It really does. I've gotten commissions off of using the postscripts. All right. So this is what I have. Share post. Get paid. It's that simple. Click here to learn more. Okay, now we want to go grab the offer for that postscript. And that is back at the marketplace. And if you go to the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, that's the one we're going to use. I like using this one because it's the one that's done the most for me. As a matter of fact, since starting this, I think this is the only one that has worked. I don't know what it is about this. Maybe it's the fact that it's social media. I mean, it's huge. So, and everybody wants to make money using their phone or their mobile device, their computer, whatever. Of like, we post stuff all the time. I mean, if you're involved on social media, I'm sure you're posting, maybe not as much as others, or maybe more than others. But it's majority of us are doing it, and if there's a way to get paid to do it, why not, right? And I think that's why it works. All right. So I've got that, and then I'm just going to highlight right here, click here more. Again, make it bold. Insert link. Good, it worked. First try. Okay, now this email, just simple copy and paste stuff, right? That's it, that's all we're doing. Google Docs is free. ClickBank, it's free. MLGS, not free, but very inexpensive. And for $30 a month, 3,000 leads that you're sending, sending emails to with these offers in them, like and the more leads that you get, the more eyeballs it's going to be on these offers. mathematically it just works. Okay. Haven't shown this in a while, but you can check your links right in Google Docs just by left clicking on it and then clicking on the link that pops up underneath. And there we go. So it works. Yay. And we'll check this one. Boom. That one works. All right. So we will come up here, grab the subject line, copy that, head over to the mailing system in MLGS, paste it right in that box, head back over, grab the rest of the email, come back over, scroll down, hit the back arrow to clear that out, Control V, and then I'm going to change the size as I always do. I think 14 should be fine. Hit perfect timing. And then you can also click on preview, get a look at what the email is going to look like. But more importantly, you want to make sure that these uh, the hyperlinks are working. We already checked them in Google Docs, so we're aware that they work. But hey, it doesn't hurt to double check, right? Make sure they're working. If you feel more comfortable doing it that way, I always rather be certain before. Once you hit send email, that's it. Once you hit send, there's no fixing it. So you want to make sure you have that right. You want to make sure you've got the first name tag in there, and you want to make sure that you sign off with your name. And I suppose you don't have to use your name. If that's your question, hey, Preston, do you have to use your name? You don't. But since you're consistently sending these out, you kind of want to build like a familiarity, or if that was even a word, or like a rapport, like an emailing rapport, because the leads that you receive, you will continue to, every email that you send out is still going to those leads. So this doesn't send them to them once and then, no, every day that you send this, they're getting those, all the leads are getting them. All right, so I'm going to send this out. And it's good to go for tomorrow. All right, again, guys, any questions, just let me know. I want to help you guys get started with this any way that I can, because I have found that this is such a simple way to just kind of make a little bit of money on the side. You know, there's not, I mean, it takes like 10 minutes. Look, we're like 13 minutes in now, so it doesn't take long at all. And while it may take a while to actually see your first sale, do not get discouraged. Please be persistent and be consistent. Just do those two things. Stay on top of it and continuously do this every day. And that's when you're going to start seeing those results, because once you get through month after month and just continuously build those leads, I promise you they're going to come in. They're going to just, slowly start trickling in, a little by little by little. And guys, time flies. You don't pay attention to this. Like, I'm already 5 months in and I feel like I've just got started. So it's like, wow, I can't believe 5 months. I've already been doing this. I even, I started before even doing this series on YouTube. And this is day 47 of me doing this. And it's just, while there's not a ton of money coming in, it's not, I'm not getting like hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's slow, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So just stick with it, because it's going to happen. It's going to happen, and some money coming in is better than no money coming in. Now, there's a shit ton of ways to use affiliate marketing to make money. There are other avenues of doing this. Guys, I've also have a series on Endless Income Academy, which is something I I have in my rotation of affiliate offers that I use in MLGS, and it's going to be coming up soon. I don't know. I'm not 100% certain if that's going to be the next one because this ends day 5. So tomorrow, or on day 48 when I put this out, we're starting a new offer. I've been looking at some things through JV Zoo, which is another a free affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, and I'm not real familiar with it, so I've just kind of been looking around, trying to get familiar with it, checking out their offers, trying to understand how, because it works a little different than ClickBank. It's just the way its platform is set up a little different. Not a whole lot, so but enough that I want to try to have more of a full understanding because you do have to. I think you have to request to be to receive, to be to get the affiliate offer, to be able to use that offer. They have like requests, and you just type in a simple like what you plan on using it for, or whatever, and just hit request. Just be upfront and honest what you're going to use it for. Send it out to an email list that you have. You're an affiliate marketer, and you plan on sending this out to, in an email to an email list that you have. It should be something simple like that. I already did that. I am trying to get an offer set up. I hope it's a good one. We'll see. The nice thing about this is that it's something that you can test different things, um, and get creative with it. You really get creative with it, trying to help find out what works, what doesn't, what suits you, things that you don't like. A lot of different things you can do. Like you can even place images in this, and I've got previous videos that show you exactly how to put an image into MLGS. All right. Also, there's also a My Lead Gen Secret Facebook group, so you can search for that on Facebook. And now you do have to be a paying member of MLGS in order to join that group. So I will disclose that. So be a part of this. Get this thing started now so you can start getting those leads and just get it started. That's all you gotta do is just get it going, get it started. I mean, seriously, $30 a month. And you can scale this up. And if you want to learn how to scale MLGS up and earn a little bit more with it, then watch the day 1 revised of the series, and all that information's in there for you to get going on that. Guys, thank you for being here. Hey, I'm going to interrupt this video real quick because I forgot to mention that I have every intention of going live. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to this channel to even make that possible for me. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be alerted of when that takes place. I don't have a set date and time yet, but if I do, I'll try to get it out. Otherwise, be on the lookout for that live, and then you can join me and kind of get a little behind the scenes of my process that I get prepared for to do these videos, and some of the other things that I'm working on. So if that interests you at all, then be on the lookout for that live video, guys. Thanks. Uh, if you got any value out of this, give me a like and subscribe if you want to continue to follow as I keep doing this process day by day, and we'll pick up some more offers on our way. Guys, I will see you in the next video.